Hey, it's JJ, and I'm by the rails in Terre Haute, Indiana. This is the Maple Avenue crossing of the CSX St. Louis line subdivision, and we just had a Canadian Pacific lead with a Norfolk Southern and Trail going through. This is a tanker train full of ethanol. There's quite a few cars here. Haven't heard any reports on the radio yet for what it is, but I believe it went into an emergency stop. I did hear on the radio that they were waiting for it to reconnect the EOT, the end of train device. So I'm assuming that it went into emergency, and so once they got that taken care of, they were able to get on the way. We've got a Union Pacific lead coming west on the St. Louis line as well. We're trying to catch a train coming north that was down in Princeton earlier. It's two CSX lead locomotives with a Nashville Music Star locomotive as the third unit. I'm assuming it's being delivered for repairs or rework or something. So we're hoping to catch that today. See what we can find. The train with the empty ethanol tankers came to a stop again, so we turned around and drove until we could get around it to make our way to the Wabash Valley Railroad Museum. There we could watch from their fantastic viewing platform, and I can tell you, we were not disappointed. The rail action on this beautiful Saturday afternoon was top-notch. Immediately upon arrival, the UP lead train that we heard earlier was arriving at East Haley. It was a westbound mixed freight led by UP 6747 with a UP 6168 as a mid-train DPU. Still, we had no word on our target train. The train we are waiting for is M512, a manifest train leaving Nashville, Tennessee, heading to Avon, Indiana. It's taking the Nashville Music Star locomotive number 122 in to be rebuilt at an unknown destination. We've not heard any scanner traffic for it though, so we were concerned we missed it. After talking to museum docents, we learned that it had not yet passed through the area. With time to wait, we explored the museum grounds and waited for more trains. Eventually, we heard the CSX dispatcher give M512 permission to go on signal indication. The control light at East Haley for Track 2 on the St. Louis line subdivision went green, and we knew the time was near. But the trains from the north and east kept coming. Our concern was that our view of the target would be blocked by a train on the closer track.
We may not be able to see the other one. That was a green light, Noah. I told you.
An intermodal with a Norfolk Southern lead approached from the east. After it passed by us, we could see the lights of our target train, and our concern materialized. We hoped for an empty or single stack as it passed by, but we had no such luck.
Is there 2 trains coming?
Yeah.
One that way and one this way?
Wait, but then we're not going to see through the intermodal. We're not going to be able to see through the intermodal. Yeah, in between the containers.
We immediately left, not waiting for any more trains, knowing we had a very slim chance of catching up to it in Clay County. Fortunately, the trains have to slow down in eastern Clay County to make a curve, and there we found it, the Nashville Music Star number 122.
Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. Unknown man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark, against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.